Match number 5 is underway. Remember, the winner of this moves on to match number 10 in the lower bracket, and the loser will be packing up their pits. Blue Alliance off to a very early lead here. 30 points on the board and counting. They're not done quite yet. 37 appears to be where their score will settle. To the Red Alliance's 16, and now drivers take control once more in our playoff matches. Algae starting to bounce around over here in the Blue Alliance side of the field as it gets unwedged from its starting positions on the Blue Alliance reef, making room for more coral to come in and assemble. There's the Sonic Squirrels placing another piece of coral onto the Blue Alliance reef. It looked like that might have been level 4, but it's actually kind of hard to see from this angle. Looks like actually they're aiming for level 3 right now, picking up 4 points apiece for each of those that gets scored. Minute and 40 left to play. Red Alliance also starting some reef construction efforts over there in the corner. Looks like that is the Chargers. Wrong, that's Wolverine Robotics over in the far corner. Now the Chargers will head back over to the loading station in the bottom left corner of the screen, or of the field. Metal Mallards also completing the Red Alliance rotation. All of these folks aiming pretty high up on the Red Alliance reef. Wolverine settled for a level 3 placement at one point there, but otherwise most of the coral making its way to level 4. Take the level +1, and that's the score for each of them. 1 minute left to play. 9:48 over here on Blue NRG. Placing a coral up top, and then just tons of coral flying everywhere over here from the Blue Alliance side of the field. I missed something here because I heard a lot of noise but did not see what was going on. 93 points on the board for Blue. Red Alliance is rapidly catching up, though. Here comes 949 Wolverine to the interface of the Red Alliance reef, placing a 4-pointer on level 3. Pretty much no sweat there. Metal Mallards, a 5-pointer on level 4. Also no drama. Our final 20 seconds begin. I wonder what the Blue Alliance might have in mind. All 3 of their machines staged even before the endgame sonar pings sound, ready in front of deep cages for a climb. Now, Sonic Squirrels are airborne. Will either of their alliance partners join them? That is the great question philosophers have been asking for centuries. Nope. 16-point endgame is what it'll be for the Blue Alliance with 2 parks and a climb. Just 3 parks over on Red, 6 points. We'll get a final score tallied up for you here in just a few moments. Match 5 is in the books. Moving along in the lower bracket, it'll be the Red Alliance. Final score, 124 points to the Blue Alliance's 109 in a clean match. Red Alliance